Hello and welcome to this video from Berthon of the 2019 Windy 39 Camira Tiger Blue. She is presented for sale here in Mallorca and offered with the option to purchase or sublet her current mooring in Puerto Portals. Tiger Blue offers a comprehensive MED specification with bimini, aircon, generator, teak decks and Silvertex platter upholstery. The 39 Camira was developed from an upscaled version of the 31 hull, which was reviewed by Motorboats Monthly as the best hull we've ever tested. The 39 was awarded the accolade of Motorboat of the Year when launched, and MBY magazine quoted that, for ability, it's up there with the very best 40-foot production hulls we've ever tested. The extended bathing platform offers plenty of space to relax close to the water. There is a bathing ladder and shower with hot and cold water. There is also a stainless ensign, and there is a dedicated fender locker. The large, spacious cockpit is protected by the bimini and includes plenty of social seating and a large aft sunpad. There is also a movable backrest which can be easily pushed back and forwards. The quality table is fitted on an electric raise and is finished in a quality wood with carbon surround. There are also integral cup holders and stainless brackets which pull out below the table leaves to give further support. Below the forward cushion there is a dedicated locker where the canopy can be easily folded down and stored when not in use. The quality bimini was a notable upgrade from Windy at build and easily folds up into position and can be used at speed. The original canvas has now been replaced with a mesh. The bimini also incorporates a rear extension which can be removed and added depending on whether sunshade is required for the aft sunpad. The well-appointed wet bar has been fully upgraded and is in a sleeker style than some of the older builds. There is a sink with hot and cold water, barbecue with hot plate and provision for both a fridge and icemaker. There are also solid stainless handrails and cup holders. The helm position has both a helm and co-pilot sports seat with bolster and an additional forward-facing seat to port. There are plenty of quality stainless handrails around the helm position and also on top of the windscreen, which adds to the feeling of security when underway. There is also a huge lazarette with a large opening hatch which runs all the way to the port side of the boat and then back to the middle of the cockpit. There are also plenty of additional lockers throughout the cockpit for storage. The upholstery on Tiger Blue has been specified in Silvertex platter and has also been protected with toweling covers which can be easily removed and cleaned. The ergonomic helm position features two Raymarine glass screen plotters, which can both be independently used to show engine and navigation data. The plotters are touchscreen, but can also be controlled by manual controls when at speed. The plotters integrate with the autopilot, and you also have a bow thruster, joystick docking system, ergonomic throttle controls with power trim assistance, engine computers, and a Humphrey trim system. The Humphrey trim system has been upgraded with the auto list, auto trim, and coordinated turn features. This boat has also been upgraded with the Fusion stereo, with signature speakers and subwoofer in the cockpit. The tender garage has been designed to take a 2.4 metre flat bottom tender, but is also a great place for additional storage and toys. We have found that many of our clients have chosen an electric outboard, and it is possible to fit an electric charging point within the garage. The foredeck on the 39 Camira is flat and feels secure with non-slip GRP. Tiger Blue has also been specified with a forward sun pad in Silvertex platter upholstery, which has an adjustable backrest. Unfortunately, this can't be seen in the video. There is a GRP cover for the electric windlass on the bow, which has a custom bow roller with stainless anchor and galvanised chain. The 39 Camira has been designed as an aggressive sports boat, and in terms of accommodation there is a focus on cockpit living space. However, you have two very comfortable cabins down below. The interior was designed by Design Unlimited and has evolved over the years and is beautifully finished now in this light oak. There is a modern but real quality feel. Within the galley there are plenty of lockers with custom fiddles, and windy glasses and crockery are included in the sale. There is also a Bosch microwave, and there is also a fridge. The cabins on Tiger Blue are both air conditioned, and the forward cabin has a large fixed double berth. There's plenty of provision for storage, and there are large hanging lockers fitted both to port and starboard. The shower compartment is very generous, and there is a separate shower area aft with little seat and S-Tech floor. There is also an electric heads and large amounts of vanity storage space. There is also an extractor fan and control for the macerator. The aft cabin on the 39 Camira runs below the cockpit but is still very spacious. There is a large double berth, opening port light and space to change standing up. There is also a large hanging locker with separate drawers. There is a separate air conditioning control for the aft cabin to the forward cabin. The engine room on the 39 Camira is accessed via this aft hatch in the cockpit. Tiger Blue has been specified with twin Volvo D6 400 engines, which are the most popular choice in production. These engines offer very smooth acceleration as they're both supercharged and turboed. As you can see from the video, the condition of the engine room is excellent and the engines have run low hours and the boat was serviced by Berthon. There is also a 4 kilowatt generator positioned centrally and forward. Thank you for taking this time to view the video of Tiger Blue. We'd be delighted to welcome you on board for a personal inspection or to help with any queries.